long, silky, and strong hair mask. Hello everyone, I'm Tanzim Hussain and welcome back to my channel Tanzim Bumi. Imagine having natural, soft, and nourished hair without even stepping outside your home. You don't even have to visit a hair salon. I can show you how to get phenomenal results on your hair. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss any amazing tips and tricks. Every girl and woman can have strong natural hair without investing a lot of money into expensive keratin treatments, wigs, or hair extensions. Have you always dreamed of having silky smooth hair? But somehow you weren't blessed with the best genetics. Unfortunately, women can experience hair shedding, unwanted breakage, frizz, as well as hair thinning as they age. This sometimes happens because of the following reasons: poor diet and unhealthy eating patterns, if you don't get enough sleep, and you are luckily frying your hair with a flat iron or a curling iron every here and there. Luckily, there are always ways to restore our hair cuticles and rejuvenate them. Do you wish for shiny and luscious locks? If so, just get the essential ingredients and run straight to your kitchen. All you need is coconut cream, castor oil, and vitamin E capsule. Sure, you have coconut cream. You will need 2 tablespoons of this product. Prepare 1 tablespoon of castor oil and have at least 2 vitamin E capsule with you. Get yourself a small dish and place all of your ingredients into it. Also use a brush or a plastic spoon and spread around the paste. Work your way into the paste for 30 to 60 seconds or till you notice that it becomes solid and even in its texture. Once prepared, you use your paste evenly and start massaging it into your hair. You should also section your hair in 4 different sections for easier application. Work 2 sections all at the front and leave 2 sections at the back. Spread the products from your roots or the middle of your hair and work your way down our ends. Why are we so sure that it will work? Well, did you know that coconut oil can boost the growth of your natural hair? It will speed up the process and give you thicker strands while also removing any sebum buildup from your scalp. Castor oil is well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means that this oil will kill off any bacteria, dandruff, as well as irritation that may be stopping your hair from growing and showing its full shine. Make sure you are gentle and do not tangle your hair. Vitamin E may help support a healthy scalp and hair as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. The vitamins antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. Rub the product in and let it sink in. Concentrate most of your product around your ends. Leave it overnight or at least for 4 to 5 hours. After it sinks into your hair, you can wash it out with a mild shampoo and your favorite conditioner. Your hair will become silky smooth after 1 use only. You can repeat this step every week or you can do it even more often if you wish for quick and effective results. As you can see, just these 3 items can bring you silky smooth hair. Make sure you use them as soon as possible and welcome your new shiny hair. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. So stay well and keep watching my channel. Bye bye.